Hello guys, thanks for coming to my video today. In this video, I am going to show you how to earn up to $100 per day with this one Google trick that I'm going to show you. And I'm going to get right to it quickly here, okay guys? This is my blog. I'm from Work Anywhere Now, guys, and my name is actually Grace, also known as Littlemama. So this is how I make money online, but I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 doing this. Basically, there are jobs out there online where you can just write for other people. You can actually make a good money doing this online and from the comfort of your own home by going to sites like Upwork or TextBroker, or even you could even put your own gigs up and get clients, your own writing clients yourself on a site like Fiverr. This is a marketplace where people who want to get other people to write for them, they can come here and find writers. But you're not gonna, trust me guys, you're not gonna be writing, typing all day long, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you that one trick soon. Okay, so just hang on one sec. Okay, but say at Upwork. Okay, so how Upwork works is that this is a platform where they bring people who have want to hire and the people who want to do the work together in one place. And they have many different topics here, as you can see up here, for jobs that people want to look for or people who need help with. Okay, so when I just come here and I put writing, I can see there's already 3,200 different jobs regarding writing. So you just need to narrow down the type of a writing project that you want to pick for yourself. Okay, it just depends on whatever topic that you're interested in, and you can narrow it down by doing the search a little more detailed search, or you can filter it here with different types of category as well. For writing, you can also pick your own category for writing in those different subjects, and you can say how much you want to work per week and so forth. Okay, so you can filter it out. And TextBroker is another site and where people go to who needs content written on their behalf. So if you're someone like me or you want to earn money writing this way, then you go to here, I write content, and you can see how much you can write for using this website here. So when you sign up with this website here, you need to first submit a test article so that they can see how you write, and then you're going to be rated on these scores, and that's how they're going to determine your rate. Okay, so you write a 500 or 1,000 words for 5 cents. For 1,000 words, like right now a lot of people need, especially for blogs and whatnot, people need long form content is what ranks on Google, and so people would pay top dollar for those long articles. And I know you don't want to type all day, and I'm going to give you a trick that will help with this. Okay guys, and it's going to be a free tool. Okay, so at 1,000 words you can make $50 a day with this one, but if you do kind of like 2 articles a day, that makes you $100 a day, right? So here for Fiverr, you can become a seller and put up gigs. So let's go to articles and blog writing here, blog posts, because majority of people who want to find people to write for them or for this type of writing. So look at these gigs. People are offering either $5, $25, $100. It just depends on how experienced you are and how many reviews you can get, guys. Okay, so Fiverr is a great way to get clients, get work this way, and you can charge whatever you want. But of course, you want to build up your profile, guys. You're not going to start charging people $100 without any reviews or anything like that. You want to start like a decent rate so that you're competitive, and you want to, get good ratings initially and build it up from there. Okay, so the more experience that you build on this platform, the more you can actually earn, and the more you have more experience, the more you can actually apply for the pro version, and then you could charge even more, because once you're pro certified, I think there's a minimum people have to pay for to get someone like that. Okay, so it is awesome to be able to make money this way, and write for other people. So the tool that I'm going to show you is right here. It's on Google. Okay, it's on Google more, and you go Docs, New, and what you're going to do here is you're going to go to Tools, and you're going to use this voice typing. Okay, guys, this is what is going to help you to write these articles really fast for your clients. So I'm just going to do a demo here. Okay, see here, you just click. I'm going to allow my microphone to be used by Google, and look, it's already starting. As you can see, it is typing for me as I speak, and sometimes you will have to do a little bit of editing afterwards, but in general you can see that it's picking up a lot of my words correctly, and that if you speak a little bit slower as I am doing, it will catch your words better, and then you will have less editing. So in this way, you can really build a article very quickly by doing it this way, period. You can get a lot of clients this way, period. It is fun to just talk and have it speak and have it typed for you. You see, I need to, oh my goodness, did you just see that? It had the wrong word, and then it realized it had to correct it to speak. So this is not going to be too perfect in the beginning, but as you use this tool to help you write, it's going to be way faster than you typing, and it's going to give you a lot more words doing it this way and using this free tool from Google, period. Is it necessary to use this tool? Of course not, guys, but I love using it for myself, and I have been using this for a little while for my own blog, workanywherenow.com. Let's see if it can do this. No, it doesn't do it, but that's okay. So you can see that it will pick up certain things and it will not make. See, I can't even talk properly, so you need to make sure you're talking properly so that this works for you well, okay, guys? But this is an awesome tool, okay? This is what I wanted to show you, okay? So you do have to do a little bit of editing, of course, but I mean, this is such a great tool. I've used this on many different posts that I've written on my own blog here on workanywherenow.com. So this is a great little tool, though, if you want to fast forward your little writing here for these types of jobs. But ultimately, though, you do want to write for yourself, and that's what I do. I write for myself. But you may think, well, how are you going to make money if you write for yourself? Because when you write for other people, they pay you, right? But when you write for yourself, like on a blog, you write for yourself, you actually can make a lot more money, guys. Okay, I'm not making just $100 a day. Sometimes I make $300 to $400 a day from this website. It just depends on the day, but the potential of you writing for yourself is going to be a lot more than you writing for other people. As well, it's going to be passive income, okay? Because you're going to be using a business model called affiliate marketing to monetize your content. So in this way, you can earn a lot more from your writing, because you're not just writing one time. Like this one post right here can earn me money multiple times, and I only had to write this one once. Okay, so when you write for other people, you gotta write it once and you only get paid once. But here on my blog, whatever everything that I write, I'm gonna make money over and over and over again from everything that I write, not just one time. So that is the power of writing for yourself. And you can still use that Google free tool to write for yourself, and I use it myself, and it's awesome. So, but I know the other thing you're thinking about, I don't know how to build a website like this. Hey, I didn't either, and that's why you need training, guys, okay? So this is the training platform that I've used since 2016. I'm still there today because I teach other people how to use Wealthy Affiliate, and I coach these people as well. I don't just tell people to go here. I also follow up with them and help them with their journey, okay? So what Wealthy Affiliate does is that it gives you step-by-step lessons on how to build your affiliate marketing website. Yes, see, this is especially for using a blog format to use affiliate marketing to make money, okay? They are specifically training people who want to use this one path to make money online. There are there are other ways to use affiliate marketing, but one of the best ways is using a blog website because you want that blog website to rank on search engines. When you rank on search engines like Google, then that's when you're going to get tons and tons of traffic, meaning visitors coming to your blog website, and that's how you get eyeballs on your content, and that's how you get them to click on your affiliate links, and that's how they will go to those other websites and hopefully buy the products or sign up or whatever it is that you're recommending on your blog, and that's how you will make money. And that's how you're going to make money over and over again using this method, okay? So using this method creates you passive income this way because you work on your own schedule and you can earn any time of the day. You could earn any time of the day, whether you're sleeping, working, eating, playing, on vacation, whatever. So it is great to build a blog to drive traffic, and then having all those visitors take a look at what you can do to help them solve problems, and then they will take your recommendation. If you are recommending something that really solves their problem, that's how you will make money, okay, guys? So if you want to follow my path and build an affiliate website, basically, then I advise you to use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. I'm going to have the link on this screen as well as in the video description below so that you can get my picture on this page, okay? If you just go to wealthyaffiliate.com, guys, you won't see my picture, and then guess what? That's bad news for you guys because you won't get me as your coach. You want to have me as your coach because I'm actually a super affiliate on this website. That means I have a lot of experience. That means I'm actually making money from the training. I make money from this training. So yes, it works, guys. Okay. When you go in there, you can sign up for free. Okay. You sign up for free. You check it out. There are 5 levels of lessons, and each level has 10 lessons. So for your free account, you actually get 10 free lessons right away to start your online journey with, okay? And by the time you finish that first level, you're already going to have a free website on the internet. That's pretty fantastic for free, right? So what are you waiting for, guys? Okay, join me and go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Get my picture on this Wealthy Affiliate homepage, then you'll know that I'm going to be your coach. Sign up, and then you're going to get messages from me after you sign up. And, I'm going to show you how you're going to get started and the bonuses that you're going to get from me, okay, guys? And I'm going to be your coach. I offer this service free, guys, okay? It's not extra, okay? I coach all my premium referrals for free on this platform, and I will guide you through the lessons. I'm going to help you apply those lessons to your site. I'm going to really help you earn money online, finally real income. Hopefully you'll join me, guys. So thank you for coming to my video today. Please give me a like if this was valuable to you, and subscribe to my channel, as I always talk about more ways to make money online, as well as affiliate marketing tips and tricks. And please smash that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? All right, I hope you join me at Wealthy Affiliate again. The links are in the video description below, and I will see you on the inside. All right, ciao, bye, bye.